Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to answer one of the Java interview questions. That is, explain join method of string class in Java. Let me answer. String class is a predefined class in Java and it contains a lot of predefined methods. Join method is one of them. Using this join predefined method of the string class, we can join multiple string texts separated by the specified delimiter. So how to use this join method of the string class to concatenate multiple strings by separated with this specified delimiter. I'm going to cover in a practical way in this session so that you can understand the answer for this question in a better way. For that, I'll switch to Eclipse IDE. Here in this one of the project, I'll go to one of the package and here I'll create a new class. I'll just create some class with some random name, let's say class 22. I'll just create the class with some random name, let's say class 22. And here I'll select this main method. I think 22 is already there somewhere here. That's why it's not coming. Sorry, 22. Click on finish. I just pressed only 2 there. That is class 22. In that class 22 inside the main method, I'm going to use this join method. Okay. Join method is a static method which has to be called with the help of the class name. Okay. You should not be creating an object for the string class. Rather, using the class name itself, string dot, you have to call the method known as join because join method is not a normal method. It's a static method. So select this option, join. And here in the first argument, we have to provide the delimiter. Either you can put comma here or hyphen here, whatever you want. This will act like separator while concatenating multiple strings. Here, you can give any number of strings. Let's say I'll give Arun as a first string, then comma, Varun. Okay. Then I'll say Tarun. Like this, you can give any number of strings, guys. And all the strings, here three strings are there in this example. They will be concatenated, separated by this hyphen symbol because I gave delimiter as a hyphen symbol. Okay. And I put this semicolon here. Join method will return you that resultant string, which is a concatenation of all these three string texts which are separated by hyphen. So I'll say result one is equal to, and I'll print out that result one so that you can see what generally join method does to this particular string text. It will concatenate all the three string texts separated by hyphen. When I run the code, you will see the result. And from the result, you will understand how the join method will work for string class. Join method is static predefined method of the string class. You have to call it directly using string class. And this is the result we got. What are the three string texts Arun, Varun, Tarun I gave? Okay. All the three string texts got concatenated together, separated by this hyphen symbol because I have used hyphen as a delimiter there. Okay. Now you can also use this join method in different cases. For example, we have an array. Array is nothing but, let's say I'll create something like string array. Let's say string array AR is equal to create an array here. So here also I'll give, let's say, I'll give orange, comma, yellow, comma, green, comma, orange, yellow, green, blue, then purple. Like that, I'll give some multiple strings here. Okay, different strings. There are 5 strings. I want to concatenate all these 5 strings of this array with a delimiter. Similar way I have done with this join methods. For that, I have to call the string class dot, I have to call the join method. And after that, I have to give the delimiter here. So this time I'll use a different delimiter instead of this hyphen symbol. Shall I use colon symbol? That also looks good. Okay. I'll use colon symbol to separate this orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. And here I'll give the array name where this multiple string texts are available. All these multiple string texts of the array will be concatenated into a joined or concatenated together, separated by colon symbol. Okay. Now here I'll say string result 2 is equal to, and I'll print it out. Okay, I'll print it out. System.out.println, I'll say result 2. And when I run the script, you will see that in the output, you will get this orange, yellow, green, blue, purple printed with colons. Colon as a delimiter separator. Okay, delimiter separator is colon. Orange colon, yellow colon, green colon, blue colon, purple, like that. Similarly, you can also create an array list. Array list where each and every type is a string type, let's say string. Okay, string st. I'll just give some different name. Let's say al for array list. Let's say I'll import this array list from java.util package. Over the mouse on this and import it from java.util package. New array list. Here, give the generic. If you mention the generic this side as string, you don't have to. This is optional. Either you can put string here or you can. It's optional. Okay, into this array list, I would like to add some string objects. Let's say I would like to add something like Monday. Then al dot add of let's say Tuesday. UPSTA by Tuesday. Then al dot add of Wednesday. Then al dot add of Thursday. Then al dot add of Friday. Then I think this much will be more than enough. We can add any number of strings, guys. There's no, Saturday, let's say. Let me complete all the days of the week. What's the matter? Then finally Sunday, Monday to Sunday, I have written everything here. Now, what I would like to do is I would like to concatenate all this Monday to Sunday thing into a single string text using the join method. To call the join method, I have to use a string class, and join method is static method. So with the help of the class name, I have to call it. And here I have to provide the delimiter. So which delimiter I would like to use this time? Earlier I used hyphen here. Then here I have used colon. This time I'll use comma, guys. Okay, let's say I'll use comma as a delimiter. And here give it the array list which contains all these string objects. Okay, array list I'll give. Just give me a second. Array list. Once that is done, it will return you a concatenated string result of all the above string objects. I'll say result 3, which are separated by this delimiter comma here in this case. System.out.println result 3, I'll say result 3. Like this, you can use the join method in the Java programs to join multiple or to concatenate multiple string text with the help of the delimiter separation. Run as you will see all from Monday, comma, Tuesday, comma, Wednesday, comma, this kind of output you will get. From Monday to Sunday, everything will be printed. All the text got concatenated, separated by comma as a delimiter. Okay. For such kind of stuff, if you want to get this kind of results where all the multiple strings need to be concatenated into a single string separated by the delimiter if you want to print in the output, then people go with this kind of join predefined method of the string class, which is static predefined method of string class, which has to be called with the help of the class name. So with practical demonstration, I've answered this question for you. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye-bye.